Okay, group, we are now working on function notation from a table. So number 3 in our notes here. So it says boiling water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit is left in a room that's 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And so it begins to cool. Temperature readings are taken each hour and are given in the table below. So this is the starting temperature, right? After 1 hour, it was down to 141 degrees and so on. The temperature T is a function of the time in hours. So the hours, or H, would kind of be our X, and then T of H would be our Y. So in this case, we want to know what T of 6 is. So we're saying when X, or hours, or H, is 6, what is Y, or the temperature? So here, if we go over to where our H is 6, that reflects a degree of 68 degrees. If we look at T of 2, at 2 hours, it was 104 degrees. And so then it says here, for what value of H? So that means we're looking for H. We want H equals something. When is the temperature 76 degrees? So here at 76 degrees, it took 4 hours to get there. So H would be 4. And it says here, between what 2 consecutive hours will T of H be 100? So if we look up here, we want to know between which 2 hours does the temperature reach 100. And so right here, between 104 and 85, we would find 100 in there. So we would say between hours 2 and 3. It says here, what will happen at hours 9 and 10? So if we go over here, we can make a prediction of what's going to happen between hours 9 and 10. So let's look back to the original question. It says that the 212 degrees is where it started. Okay, and it's sitting in a room that's 65 degrees. So imagine room temperature is 65 degrees, and this water, after 8 hours, reaches that 65 degrees in that room. As long as that water is left in that room, in hours 9 and 10, it should also be 65 degrees. So we could say it will stay at room temperature of 65 degrees. So it should not go below that, assuming that the room temperature does not change.